1 minute ride. I think I gotta get the 1 minute ride here. It's in that, but gotta get this for $30. That's a really good deal. 49 shot brother cake. I think most of you guys know what this does. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Backyard Fireworks. You can see we're at Rockets Fireworks here in Wright City. And today we're going to be buying fireworks and we're going to be lighting them off. Anything we buy in here, we're going to basically light here whenever it gets dark. So yeah, we're going to go in the store and purchase a bunch of things. And hopefully you can hear me. I got a new mic, so hopefully everything's going well with that. I know there's a lot of background nowadays, but hopefully we get some good stuff. And yeah, hopefully we light some fun stuff off later in the video. All right, we're walking in the store here. See Rockets Fireworks. I think I want to get some 500 grams too. How you doing? 1 minute ride. I think I gotta get the 1 minute ride here. 25 bucks for 500 grams. I think I gotta get it. Start off with the 500 grams. Okay, we're gonna go over here. Get some of the shell. There's a lot going on in this store. Okay, 80, 90 bucks for these Excals. I think we might get some. Not sure. Smoke and mirrors for 20. That's a good deal. $20 for those is a good price. Yeah, you can see the smoke and mirrors. Got all sorts of stuff here. Maybe get 200 gram cake. Bling Bing for 15. That's the same at the Superstore. We get one of these. I haven't shopped before. This one looks pretty cool. 10 bucks for this 16 shot cake by Window. It's a pretty good one. We go around here. At Highfalutin for 30. That's a great deal. Got some Noevs and stuff. Got a 280 shot Roman candle for $9. Looks like it's a good deal. I actually shot this one off. It's real good. It's really good. Highfalutin for 30 bucks is a great deal. Same with Hit the Road Jack. That's a great deal there. I am gonna pass on it because I already have it, but you know, maybe what I want to do. Actually, I'm gonna lie. I'm gonna put this one back. I'm gonna put the 1 minute ride back, and I am going to get Highfalutin, or however you say it. I might be mispronouncing that, but gotta get this for $30. That's a really good deal. 49 shot brother cake. I think most of you guys know what this does. It'd be hard putting it in here. Man. It's a great deal. I might get a fountain here. Mix it up a little bit. Maybe get some novelties. Some parachutes for a good deal. Some little other stuff. Crackling balls. 3 pieces. Not sure the price, but pretty good deal, I think. Let's go over by the fountains and go check out the fountains. Gotta get a fountain if you're gonna go diversity here. Actually, let's go swing back over here. Excuse me. Ooh, Pure Fantasy. It's a hybrid. $9. See there. See if there's anything on the other side that's worth getting. There's some more of the 200 grams. I think this might be all I'm going to get for now. So you got here, and we're going to go light all these off, and yeah, I'll see you guys out there when it gets dark. Okay, guys, so this is what we ended up getting. We ended up getting Highfalutin, one of my favorite 500 grams. It's a great one. It's part of the Brothers Heavy Weight series. We ended up getting a 280 shot Roman candle, which should be pretty fun. I got one of my favorite little cakes here, fountains if you want to call it. It's a hybrid by Brothers called Pure Fantasy, and it should be a fountain and then make like these real cool mind effects, I'm pretty sure anyway. I dropped it in the store, so hopefully it works good. Should, in theory. Wasn't a bad drop. And then we got this cake by Window. I've never shot before, but it looks a lot like Bump Bear, so I'm hoping maybe it's similar, because Bump Bear is a great little cake. Last but not least, we got these little crackling balls. So yeah, we're going to start with the crackling balls once the sun sets. And yeah, we're going to light all these off, and it should be a good show. In total, I spent like $64, I think was the exact amount. So yeah, we're going to wait till it gets dark, and we're going to light all these off. Okay, we're going to start with these 3 crackling balls and move into that big stuff we got. Oh, those are nice. Those don't go up pretty high. Okay, we're going to do these next 2 as well. You can see there's still some evidences of it. Get the flashlight. You can see the smoke bloom there. Gotta get everything smelling like fireworks. It is pretty dry here, but the good news is we're supposed to get some rain tonight, so that will definitely help with all of this. It is pretty dry here where I'm at in Missouri. Those are so fun to light. Okay, the next one we got is Pure Fantasy. Real pumped to see this one go. So cool. That is such a cool fountain. That one is so cool. Sorry if the smoke got in the way. There's a lot of smoke, I know, but that was really cool. Okay, we're gonna light this 280 shot Roman candle. That was a good candle. I didn't think it'd have that much crackle in it. So now we got these 200 gram cakes left. We're gonna go with the window one first, and then the 30 or 40 something odd shot Highfalutin. Okay, we're gonna get this sandwiched in there like always. Hopefully this doesn't go anywhere. I think it's in there pretty good. Okay, here goes highfalutin. Hopefully I'm not saying that wrong, or it'd be real embarrassing if I've been saying it the wrong whole video. But yeah, 49 shots. This is a little finale, I'd say. Definitely, because it's one of my favorites. Hope you guys all enjoyed that video. These cakes are just so good. The Brothers Heavyweights are honestly fantastic. Some of the best ones on the market, and all these fireworks were all actually really good. I was really happy of the outcome of all these. I thought they were all pretty good picks, and I thought that was a pretty fun video for making fireworks like that, just buying and lighting fireworks, especially for the 4th. Everybody get pumped up because that's what everybody's doing right now. So if you liked the video, please give me a like and a subscribe. Subscribing's free. You can always change your mind later too, and if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to watch. Thanks guys, and I hope you guys all have a safe and fun 4th. Thanks for watching.